Okay, I still have 3 cases to unbox. I still don't know the order I'm going to post these videos. All I know is I'm just doing them one by one by one. I was going to do all 6 in a row here on this afternoon and then post them as we went, but rain came down, but I think we're good now, so I am back. I want to get this done. So I don't know, based on these codes, which each of these are. I assume I have a couple of Walmart cases and a Target case. And like I said, since I don't know the order I'm going to post these videos, we're just going to pick this one. That's a US case, but I think this is a store code. Some of you may know, looks like this one got a little crunched, what these are, but I don't, so it's kind of fun just to cut them open and see what's inside. Could be like a D case, could be an older case, but with some store exclusive. Could be just something completely different. I have no idea. So, I'm going to open it up. Oh, this looks like it's, fairly new, actually. So we had, this looks like it is this is an F case, right? But I see Target exclusives in there. I see there's the Honda right there. All right, let's just get to it. So this might be the last video I post, but you know, you never know. And like I said, it got crunched. So here we are. We've got the Mazda Ripu, the Bricking Trails, and the La Troca. And I've already, like I said, I've already done this unboxing, and so we just need to kind of just look at the models. Fantastic 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser. So I'm assuming the people that are finding the Zamac case are finding these models as well. Nissan Z Prototype and the Ram 1500 Rebel. And I know they have because I already have this. I made a trade with a really cool guy named Vince who sent me these latest Zamacs. We'll get to them. Lay and Lowrider, which is a new casting, which is great. There is the Super, it's not the Super Treasure Hunt, right? But that was the Super, the 2020 Corvette from the previous case, the E case, and then this is, if it were gold, would be the Super in the F case, the fantastic Honda Civic Type R. This with the red interior is so cool. The Super Treasure Hunt is awesome too, and like I said, I got to get my hands on that Super. All right, Batman Arkham Asylum Batmobile, we've seen that a few times. Ford Sierra Cosworth, that is the recolor in blue, and there is the fantastic Chevy Silverado in green. That is your regular treasure hunt, the Jeep Wrangler, 2017 Jeep Wrangler. There's the Roadster Bite, and all it is the Roadster Bite. If it had several R's, you guys know, who've watched the channel for a long time, what would happen, but it's just one R. Honda S2000. Volkswagen Beetle, recolor, Ducati Scrambler, Hot Wheels edition. And there's the Greenwood Corvette. Love the Greenwood Corvette. Another Arkham Asylum, another Nissan Z Prototype, and the Silhouette Nissan Silvia, which is also great. How about that duo right there? Pretty cool, huh? Barbie Extra, which is new, twinning and winning, and there's Mad Mike's Mazda MX-5 Miata. Low Lux, AE86, and the Bone Shaker, I think all from previous castings. And now we start getting in the Zamacs. So there is the Mercedes-Benz A-Class. How are you going to confuse that for the Civic? They look exactly alike, silhouette-wise. Here is the Nash, and then here's the first Zamac we've got. It is the Nissan R390 GTI. Love this one because it's one of those awesome plain Zamacs. It means just headlights, taillights, nothing else, totally unpainted. That is super, super cool. That is, love those Zamacs. Z last year was one of those. All right, Dodge Charger, that's the art car. There's another Rio S2000. Here's the second Zamac, the Big Air Bel Air. There's the black version. This is the Zamac version. How great is that? Just a lovely, lovely car. So we have one set in this case, at least on top. There's the Glory Chaser. There's the recolor of the awesome Mighty K, and your 69 Copo Corvette. So there's your third Zamac, the Copo Corvette. Put that up there too. So we have one set. Let's see if we have any more. By the way, did I say Mattel sent this? It's probably pretty obvious. Mattel sent this. Yep, I see more Zamacs right there. So let's open the rest of these up. There's the Baja Bone Shaker, the La Troca, and the Cosmic Coupe. Lay and Lowrider, McLaren F1, and there's our second Nissan 390 GTI. I always think it's the GTI, but it's the GT1. Barbie Extra. Well, these really got crunched. Cardi Asada, and Let's Go. But that's okay. These are, I keep what I keep, and then I donate the rest, and I know these will get opened by the kids at the hospital I donate to. There is the Big Air Bel Air again. So we have two of those, Super Silhouette Nissan Silvia and the 55 Chevy. Second Corvette's right there, right below the Bogzilla and the Lethal Diesel. Aston Martin Valhalla Concept. There's your tuned Silverado and the Mazda MX-5 Miata again. Ren and Rig, Hyper Rocker, and the Honda City Turbo. Love that recolor of the Porsche 935, and there's another Nissan. So now we have three Nissans, and there's the Lethal Diesel. So let's see if we get three sets. Cockney Cab, another Silverado, and the Chevy, or I'm sorry, yeah, the Chevy Chevelle, the wagon, which is just fantastic. Bone Shaker, Batman Arkham Asylum, and the Skull Crusher. Tuned Volkswagen Golf, Cosmic Coupe, and a third Big Air Bel Air. So now three of those. And did we get the Corvette? Yep, we did. So there we go. Three sets of the Zamacs plus some fantastic F Case models. There's the Corvette, Bubble-Matic, and the Chevy pickup. That is your Walmart case. Some folks have it already, clearly because I got that sent and traded from my friend Vince. Some people will see this soon. I've seen the previous set, so we're going to open these other cases. This is probably the last of the 6 that I'll post, but who knows? I'll do that when I do it. I've got 2 more to film. They've probably already been posted. Thanks, everybody. Bye.